AI slop just one word of the year. Not in a good way. In the same way a car crash wins attention. And if you think that's dramatic, the internet is literally dying because of it. Merriam-Webster called it, quote, digital content of low quality produced in quantity by artificial intelligence. But that's the polite version. Here's what it actually means, stuff that sounds smart but means nothing. Made fast. Flooding everything. Stack Overflow used to get 200,000 questions every single month. That was in 2014. Today? Near zero. Why? Because everyone just asks ChatGPT instead. And here's the twist, ChatGPT gives wrong answers more than half the time. But speed beats accuracy when you can't trust anything. A developer ran an experiment. He built an AI bot, Karma farmed it across Reddit, and posted AI-generated content everywhere. Full conversations. Detailed replies. You know what happened? Nobody noticed. Not once. The bot had entire discussions with real humans who had no idea they were talking to software. There's something called Brandolini's law. It says, refuting bullshit takes 10 times more energy than producing it. One person with AI tools can generate hundreds of posts per day. Each one takes seconds to make. But each one takes minutes or hours for someone to properly evaluate. The math just doesn't work. It's not just tech communities. A New York Times investigation found that 40% of YouTube Kids' recommendations are AI slop. Fake Cocomelon-style animations. Content that looks safe but isn't. Parents trust the platform. The platform is lying to them. So communities are fighting back. Zig banned all AI code. NetBSD banned AI entirely. GIMP. Kemu. tlDraw's creator started auto-closing every single pull request, not just AI ones, all of them. GitHub added a feature to disable PRS entirely. That's not a feature. That's a surrender. Before AI, high-effort creation was natural proof of quality. If someone spent hours writing something, it probably mattered. Now? The economics are broken. One person with AI can do the work of 1,000. And 1,000 volunteers can't moderate one AI person's output. We're outgunned. The author of the original article describes a dystopian future. He calls it MoltBook, a world where AI agents talk to each other, generate engagement for nobody, and all the real humans have just left. Sounds absurd? Reddit is already halfway there. You might think, just moderate it. Here's why that doesn't work. AI detection tools? Accuracy ranges from 0 to 100%. Completely unreliable. Watermarks get stripped. AI content is often just better than human content. Stack Overflow tried banning AI answers. Volunteer moderators went on strike. Twice. The policy was unworkable. So what can you actually do? First, support communities that ban AI. They're not gatekeeping, they're surviving. Second, if you use AI, be transparent. Disclose it. Stand behind what you make. Third, don't normalize low quality through silence. Call it out. Quality isn't gatekeeping. It's respect. The internet you grew up with, forums, communities, real people sharing real things, it's dying. Not because of regulations or big tech conspiracies. Because we filled it with stuff that takes seconds to make and has zero value. The question isn't whether we can save it. It's whether we want to.